Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the RC Guru YouTube channel. With our trail burner series today, we're going to take our original OG Twisted Fab Marlin along with all of its other beautiful brands, Vanquish, MIP, A&M Garage, A&M Garage, Pitbull, 3D printed inserts by yourself, full scale interior, flock dash, you name it, scale for days. We're gonna take this baby out and we're gonna do leafer things. Guys, what's going on? RC Guru. Today I'm hearing a lot of talk about TwistedFabCo. We might just take our TwistedFabCo Stage 3 leafer. We might just take this out on the trail burner series. There's the buggy setup. You can see it in the back. Lots of questions. You see the U-bolts, Vanquish axles, MIP driveline. It's got a Fusion in it. This was a TF2 Marlin at one point. It's all fully custom, you can see. I'm gonna leave this light off for the cruise today. But let's get this baby outside. I got stuff waiting in the mail. Welcome to the video, guys. Let's hit outside. Windy, so you're gonna hear a lot of wind. Let's just have a little gander at this truck for a minute. Didn't need to run any lights today. You barely even see them. Thanks, guys.